My girlfriend wants me to quit trading. No, I'm not in a relationship, still on the market. But I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say that. I don't want the comments to go crazy. But
yeah, there'd be too many people reaching out.
Yeah, there's too many people reaching out. It's like, no.
It's going crazy.
It's going crazy. No. But that is the title. That is the title of today's letter. So, with that being said, let's get right into it. Howdy, Fi guys. I'm reaching out to you for some financial advice because I'm in a bit of a dilemma. And my girlfriend believes that your expertise could shed some much-needed light on my situation.
Okay.
Here's the gist of it. I'm 28 years old with a background in mechanical engineering, and for the past 7 years, I've been trying my hand at trading.
Okay.
We're not talking commerce here. We're talking stocks and options.
Perfect.
A little bit right down our alley. Now, before you jump to conclusion, let me clarify that I haven't hit the jackpot yet. Keyword yet. In fact, except for one stroke of luck on cryptocurrency, which, cool.
Wait, what conclusion did he expect me to jump to?
I don't know.
That's the exact conclusion that I would have jumped to, that he has not figured it out yet.
Yes. And with that being said, the next sentence is, I've been struggling to turn over a significant profit.
Perfect.
We know.
Then I jumped to the right conclusion.
You didn't have to tell us. We know. Like, you know the stats.
I know the stats.
You know the stats. Despite the setbacks, I firmly believe that I'm on the brink of a breakthrough.
Okay.
I've meticulously studied the markets, honed my strategies, poured countless hours into my trading endeavors. My sights are set on making it big. I'm not talking small peanuts, mega big. And here's the crux of the issue. My girlfriend, who is 22, is urging me to call it quits on trading. Wonder why.
Wonder why.
Here's the concern. Her concern is understandable. Trading can be unpredictable, volatile, and downright nerve-wracking at times. Mm-hmm. We know firsthand.
Yep.
But here's the thing. I'm not one to shy away from a challenge. I'm not one to shy
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. With my education in with my educational background and analytical skills, I'm convinced that I can crack the code and make Forex trading work in my favor. Okay.
Oh, so he's doing Forex trading. It's not even options. It's not even options. It's Forex trading. Perfect. Okay. Perfect.
Is that better or worse?
That's
much worse.
In my opinion, it is harder to predict.
Yeah. Our concern is understandable. Read that part. Let's see. However, convincing my girlfriend of this seems to be an uphill battle. Yeah, she worries that our financial stability, our future together, and the risks involved are not for us. And while I respect her concerns, I can't shake the feeling that I'm on the cusp of something great.
Good for him.
Dude, he should not have wrote in. Smart girlfriend, though.
I'm just excited to hear what the rest of it says.
Dude. So here's where I turn for you for guidance. How do I navigate this delicate, volatile situation and convey to my girlfriend that trading isn't just a pipe dream, but a calculated endeavor backed by research, dedication, and firm belief in my abilities to succeed? How can I measure her? How can I reassure her that I'm not blindly chasing after a mirage?
Okay.
But rather a pursuit of legitimate opportunity for financial success.
Okay.
I appreciate the insights and advice you can offer on this matter. I know that your podcast has been a great source of inspiration and knowledge from my girlfriend, and I trust that your wisdom can help steer her in the right direction.
Hold on.
Listen to the podcast, sir. You need to tune in. Let me tell you something. Dial in, sir.
And I trust that your wisdom can help steer her in the right direction.
Bro, he's out of his mind. I shall continue. Thank you for considering my dilemma. Yep. I eagerly write your response. Oh, you're going to get it. You're going to get it. Sincerely, from engineer turned trader, futures my crusader for analyzing trends. My path's never been... Dude, could you read that riddle again? I'm just too flustered.
Yes. From engineer turned trader, futures my crusader, for I'm analyzing trends. My path never bends.
What kind of advice you got for us today, Chris?
Well, what I would say is 99% of gamblers quit before they ever hit it big. You know what? Scratch that. 99.99999999 repeated gamblers quit before they hit it big.
Dude.
Follow your dream, bro.
Follow your dream. But hey, you might be single. So
Yeah, you might be single and following your dream. No, in all seriousness, I don't think this guy's ever listened to our podcast.
no.
My favorite part of the whole thing
last line.
is I trust your wisdom can help steer my girlfriend in the right direction.
Dude, he's a maniac.
No, I mean,
He's wild for that.
so the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result.
Yes.
You've been dedicated to this for 7 years now.
Yes.
You said that you have done one trade that was right, that was crypto.
Tell me how likely, tell me about that. Can anybody make money in a bull market? When everything's going up, can I make money?
You should be able to. When you're talking about foreign exchange trading, has nothing to do with a bull market or with a bear market. Like those two things are completely delinked.
Okay.
So zero correlation there.
Okay.
But you do bring up a good point in that he has dedicated 7 years of his life. He said countless hours of dedicated research and education and all these other things that he's dedicated to, pouring into this pursuit of figuring out Forex trading. And just for our audience, Forex means foreign exchange trading. Mm-hmm. So you're basically trading one currency for another currency.
Yeah.
So if you ever have traveled abroad, you'll notice that you'll maybe go to Europe and you'll see like the dollar versus Europe is this, and the Chinese yen versus European money is this. And if you watch it, you sit there for more than like a second, you'll see that it's constantly changing. And the values are constantly changing. So foreign exchange traders, they'll come in, they'll say, I want to buy a Chinese yen right now because I believe in just a little while it's going to be worth more and I'll sell it for a gain.
Yeah.
But it's so hard to be able to predict that. Really what you're looking at charts. Mm-hmm. And you're just looking at, I like to call them like, you're looking at the clouds and you're really trying to predict the future.
Yeah. Simple as that. Like, I hate to crap on someone's dream, but I'm going to, out of respect for you, because I want to give you my honest opinion on what I think you should do with your life. If this is something you're passionate about and God put you on this earth to be a trader and you believe that, you're going to have to pay the cost that it's going to come with it. I think it would be a better option. It would just to put your money in something that grows, with historical growth. You could probably recommend something. And have a side hustle. You're working on growing your money when you could have your money growing by itself and you go out and make more money doing something else.
Yeah, that's something that concerns me, right? He said he spent the past 7 years, and it sounds like, his girlfriend wouldn't be getting on his case if this wasn't doing it poorly.
Yeah.
Like if he was coming home, if he was like, hey babe, I just made another $1 million, like he wouldn't, there's no reason for him to write it. His girlfriend's like, this, whatever you're doing is working.
Yeah.
So clearly this isn't working. Over the last 7 years, had he just put his money in the S&P 500, done nothing, he'd been over 100%.
Yeah.
He could have put any amount of money in and doubled it. And then more than doubled it, actually, in the last 7 years. Instead, he's done one trade that has worked with crypto.
Which, who knows what the percentage increase was.
Yeah, and to be fair, like crypto has been on a tear for the last 7 years. So I'm sure you just put it into literally anything.
Yeah.
Or maybe to Bitcoin or Ethereum. Yeah. It's like a stable, to like a coin that isn't some shit coin. Yeah. And you should be pretty well off.
Yeah. Finish this off.
So, I think the big thing is you want us to convince your girlfriend that you are doing a legitimate business. And I'm not saying that foreign exchange trading is not a legitimate business.
Yeah.
But if you have put 7 years of your life into it, how much more are you willing to put into it? I think the worst thing that we could tell you is you're just around the corner. You're almost there. Yeah. 99% of gamblers quit right before they hit it big. Well, like the markets can be irrational much longer than you can stay solvent. How long can you continue to pursue this reasonably, and what are you willing to sacrifice?
Yeah.
Because right now it sounds like your girlfriend is saying, I don't want to sacrifice our financial future for the possibility that this might work. You have a degree in mechanical engineering.
Yeah.
Well, what could you have done had you worked you dedicated your life this past 7 years to the pursuit of that? How much
or starting your own mechanical engineering business.
Mm-hmm. How much more can we get there? So at the end of the day, you asked us for guidance on being able to tell your girlfriend that this is a legitimate opportunity for you and that she should just let you do it. I'm assuming you're not listening to the podcast because you wouldn't have written in. So your girlfriend is really smart because she definitely set you up for this by having you write into it. So, talk about that. But to his girlfriend that I'm sure is listening, yeah, you're on the right side of this ledger for me.
Yeah.
I would just talk with him. and maybe he'll listen to us. He probably won't, honestly.
Probably won't.
He probably won't listen to us, honestly. But
He's
you know, if you've been doing this for 7 years and you haven't turned anything minus one trade, you know, I would love to see his balance sheet. I would love to see how much money he has lost doing this.
Because most traders lose money.
Oh yeah,
a lot of it.
Yeah, and there's a reason that you don't see day traders on the Forbes richest 100 people.
Sure.
There's a reason, because even if you do hit big, usually the next time they lose it all.
Yeah.
You know, you really are playing a roulette, and eventually that bullet's going to come up.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, oftentimes they're not doing proper risk management either. You know, it's like, oh, with this trade, it could blow up my account. It's like, the idea isn't to blow up your account. The idea is to stay in the game. Mm-hmm. You can't stay in the game if you risk everything and it goes south and you got wiped out.
Yeah, and that's why we always talk about proper risk management, right? And making sure that we're really taking stock of everything that we have. And it sounds like he's not. I mean, we don't even know. Is this guy working a job? Is he just doing...
Is he just doing
trading and his girlfriend supporting him? Does he have money from something else?
I don't know.
You know, does he have any money in stocks and bonds? Does he have, because if he's saying like, okay, 10% of my net worth I'm going to do to Forex trading because I know I have this feeling. But the other 90, 80% I'm going to put into long-term investments that I'm just going to buy and hold, not do anything with. Or I have a financial advisor who's doing his magic on the back end.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, that does not seem to be the situation we have here, though.
I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Hope that helps you.
Best of luck.
Yeah.
And to the girlfriend, best of luck.
Yeah, best of luck. Godspeed.
This video podcast is sponsored by Monzon Wealth. The content in this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We do not endorse specific products or services. Past performance does not guarantee future results. The opinions expressed are those of the hosts and guests, not the podcast sponsor.
It is crucial to consult with a qualified financial advisor or professional who can provide advice tailored to your specific needs before making any financial decisions, investments, or taking any other actions. If you are seeking specified help, you can reach out to Chris at monzonwealth.com.